Hi students, how are you? I think all are fine. Okay. So today the lesson for remaining portion. Okay. Remaining portion. Now we are going to study about types of plants. Okay. Now we are going to study about types of plants. Okay. So there are many kinds of plants. Say the name of plants. Say the name of plants. Tulasi plant, rose plant, hibiscus plant, isn't it? Say mint plant, spinach plant, coriander plant, money plant, grapevine, isn't it? So there are many kinds of plants. There are many kinds of plants. Okay. So some plants are big, isn't it? Some plants are big, some plants are small. Okay. Some plants are big and some plants are small. Okay. So big plants, say the example, big plants, trees. Okay. Trees are big plants. So this is the tree. This is what tree? Mango tree. Okay. This is the mango tree. Trees are big plant with hard and strong stems, isn't it? This stem is very hard. Okay. Hard and strong stem. So it is called trunks. Okay. So it is called trunks. Okay. For example, this is the mango tree. This is the people tree. Okay. This is the coconut tree. Okay. This one, yeah, fire tree. Yeah. Fire tree. Okay. So these are trees. So some plants are big. Some plants are big and some plants are small. Okay. So the big plants are trees. The big plants are trees. So this is one type of tree. This is another one type of tree. This is another one type of tree. So different types of trees. Okay. So the trees, big plant, they hard and strong stems. They hard and strong stems called trunks. Okay. Hard and strong stems called trunks. Okay, mom. So types of plants, small plants. Some plants are big plants that are trees. And some plants are big plants that are trees. Some plants are small. Some plants are small plants. So that is three types of plants. Shrubs plants, herbs plants, climbers and creepers plants. Okay. So shrubs plants, herbs plants, climbers and creepers plants. Okay. So shrubs plants. So this is the shrubs plants. These all are shrubs plants. Okay. Shrubs are smaller than trees. Okay. Shrubs are, this is the rose plant. This is the rose plant. This is the tulasi plant. This is the hibiscus plant. This is the tea plant. Okay. So this is shrubs plants. Okay. Shrubs plants, say the example of shrubs plants. Rose plant, tulasi plant, hibiscus plant, tea plant. Okay. So these plants, these shrubs plants are smaller than trees. Shrubs plants are smaller than trees. They have woody stems. Okay. They have woody stems and grow close to the ground. Okay. And grows close to the ground. Close to the ground. Okay. Shrubs are short plants. Okay. Shrubs are short plants. Okay. Shrubs are short plants. They have woody stems. Shrubs have many branches. Many branches having no. Many branches having no. So shrubs have many branches. Okay. Many branches. They live for a few years. Okay. They live for few years. For example, rose plant, hibiscus plant, tulasi plant. So these all are shrubs plants. These all are shrubs plant. Now you understand? Did you understand what is the shrubs plants? So shrubs plants example, rose plant, tulasi plant, hibiscus plant, tea plant. Okay. So shrubs are short plant. Okay. Shrubs are short plant. They have woody stems. They have woody stems. Shrubs have many branches. Shrubs have many branches. They live for few years. Okay, they live for few years. For example, rose and hibiscus. So this is many branches. Branches going no many branches. Okay, now you understand shrubs plants. Okay, see this is the rose plant. This is the rose plant. Okay, rose plant. This is hibiscus plant. Many branches going no many branches. Okay, so they have the smaller. This one is they woody stems. They woody stems and grow close to the ground okay ma, they have woody stems and grow close to the ground. Okay, the next one is herbs. Okay, herbs are very small plant. Okay, herbs are very small plant with soft stems. Okay, for example, coriander plant. Okay, coriander plant, mint plant, spinach plant, grass plant. Okay, these all are herbs plant. These all are herbs plant. Herbs are very small plants with soft green stems. Okay, with soft green stems. Okay, so these all are herbs plants. Okay, ma, understand? Okay, so say the example of herbs plant. Coriander plant, mint plant, spinach plant, grass plant. Okay, grass plant. Okay, so herbs are small plants with the soft stems, isn't it? They live only for a few months. Okay, they live only for a few months. For example, mint, spinach, coriander, that all are herbs plants. Okay, see, this is the herbs plant. Mint, spinach, coriander. Mint, spinach, coriander. Okay, so herbs are very small plants with soft green stems. Okay, shrubs, you are studying shrubs. Shrubs are very short plant, isn't it? Very short plant. The stems and grow close to the ground, isn't it? The stems are grow close to the ground. Okay, so these herbs are small plant with soft green stems. Okay, very small plants with soft green stems. Okay, then these shrubs are many branches, isn't it? Shrubs are many branches and they live for few years. The shrubs are live for few years, but the herbs are few months. Okay, this is live for few years. This is few months. This is few months. Okay, did you understand? This is did you understand? So the example of shrubs plant, rose plant, hibiscus plant, tulsi plant, tea plant. So that all are shrubs. Okay. So the example of herbs plant, coriander plant, mint plant, spinach plant. So these are grass plant. That all are herbs plant. Okay, mom. Then some plants have weak stems. Okay, some plants have weak stems and cannot stand straight. Okay, some plants have weak stems and cannot stand straight. Okay, so there are two types. Those which grow along the ground are called creepers. Creepers along the ground are called creepers. Okay, so this is the creepers. Okay, creepers grow along the ground. For example, pumpkin. This is the pumpkin. This is watermelon. Okay, watermelon. This one is pumpkin. This one is watermelon. Okay, so this is called creepers. So creepers grow along the ground. Okay, creepers grow along the ground. For example, pumpkin and watermelon. Okay, so this is they have weak stems. Okay, they have weak stems. The creepers plants have weak stems, cannot stand straight. Okay, cannot stand straight. Okay, so along the ground, which grow along the ground, so it is called creepers. So it is called creepers. Okay, say the example of creepers. Pumpkin and watermelon. Okay, pumpkin and watermelon. Okay, creepers, did you understand creepers? plants have weak stems. Okay, plants have weak stems and cannot stand straight. Okay, and cannot stand straight. Then it grow along the ground. It grow along the ground. That is called creepers. That is called creepers. So the example, pumpkin, watermelon. Pumpkin, watermelon. Okay. Then climbers. So the weak stems cannot stand straight. Listen, they have two types. One type is creepers. So another one types are climbers. Okay, another one types are climbers. So see, this is climbers. This is climbers. Okay. So these plants which grow upwards, using other plants. Here another one plant having, no. Here another one plant having. See, so this is growing upwards using other plants. Sticks and walls for support are called climbers. Okay, sticks and walls for, these walls for support are called climbers. So example of climbers, grapevine. This is the grapevine, money plant. Okay, grapevine, money plant. Okay, grapevine, money plant. Okay, so what is climbers? What is climbers? Understand? What is climbers? So, which grow upwards using, some plants grow upwards using other plants and walls for support. Okay, and walls for support are called climbers. Okay, so example grapevine. Example grapevine and money plant. Grapevine and money plant. Okay, mom. So all of you understand? Okay, did you understand, mom? Did you understand? Okay, so types of plants. Types of plants. Once again, all of you listen. So types of plants. There are many kinds of plants. Okay, there are many kinds of plants. Some plants are big plant. Some plants are big plant. Some plants are small plant. Okay, some plants are big plant. Some plants are small plant. So trees are big plants. Okay, trees are big plants with hard and strong stems. With hard and strong stems called trunk. Okay, so which hard and strong stems called trunks. Okay, for example, mango tree, people tree, coconut tree, fire tree. Okay, ma'am. Okay, then shrubs, smaller plants are shrubs, herbs, creepers, climbers. Okay, smaller plants are shrubs, herbs, creepers, climbers. So shrubs are smaller than trees. Okay, shrubs are smaller than trees. They have woody stems. Okay, they have woody stems. Okay, mom. Woody stems. Okay, they have woody stems and grow close to the ground. Okay, so shrubs are short plant. Okay, shrubs are short plant. They have woody stems. Shrubs have many branches. They live for few years. For example, rose plant and hibiscus plant. Okay, rose plant and hibiscus plant. Then herbs. Okay, herbs. Next one is herbs. Herbs are very small plant. Okay, herbs are very small plants with soft green stems. For example, coriander plant, mint plant, spinach plant. So these all are herbs plant. Okay, so herbs are small plant with soft stems. Okay, small plants with soft stems. They live only for a few months. But these shrubs are live for a few years. Isn't it? Live for few years. But these herbs are live for few months. Okay, live for few months. For example, mint plant, spinach plant and coriander plant. Okay, the next one is climbers and creepers. Okay, so the some plants are weak stems and cannot stand straight. Okay, some plants are weak stems, cannot stand straight. They are two types. One is creepers, another one is climbers. Creepers, another one is climbers. Okay, so some plants grow along the ground. Some plants grow along the ground are called creepers. Okay, some plants grow along the ground are called creepers. For example, pumpkin and watermelon. Pumpkin and watermelon. Some plants grow upwards. Okay, some plants grow upwards using support other plants. Okay, some plants grow upwards. Okay, see here also. So some plants grow upwards, other plants using other plants and wall for the support of other plants. Okay, so that is called climbers. That is called climbers. Okay, ma, that is called climbers. For example, grapevine and money plant. Grapevine and money plant. See, so next one is some plants also grow in water. Some plants also grow in water. For example, what are the plant? Lotus plant, water lily plant, water hyacinth plant. Okay, so these plants are grow in water. These plants are grow in water. Say the example of grow in water. Some plants are grow in water. Say the example, lily plant, lotus plant. Okay, so these all are water plants. Okay, some plants grow in water. They have soft and green stems. Okay, so these plants, they have soft and green stems. Okay, for example, water lily and lotus. So some plants are living water. Some plants are grow in water. Okay, some plants are grow in water. For example, lily, water lily, lotus. Okay, so they have soft green stems. They have soft green stems. Okay, mom. Okay. Okay, understand now. Okay, now reading time. All of you look at your book, page number 22. Page number 22. Take your book. All of you take your book. Look at your book, page number 22. Types of plants. Types of plants. There are many kinds of plants. Some plants are big and some are small. Trees are big plants with hard and strong stems called trunks. Okay, trunks. For example, mango tree, pupil tree, coconut tree, a fire tree. Okay. Shrubs are smaller than trees. They have woody stems and grow close to the ground. For example, rose plant, tulsi plant, a hibiscus plant, a tea plant. Okay. The next, herbs are very small plants with soft green stems. For example, coriander plant, mint plant, spinach plant, grass. Okay. Some plants have weak stems and cannot stand straight. They are of two types. Those which grow along the ground are called creepers, such as a pumpkin plant and a melon plant, watermelon plant. Okay, those which grow upwards using other plants, sticks and walls for support are called climbers, such as a grapevine and a money plant. See, a pumpkin plant, okay, a melon plant, a grapevine, a money plant, okay. Some plants also grow in water. For example, lotus plant, water lily plant, a water hyacinth plant. Water hyacinth plant. Okay, mom? Okay, now new words. New words. Trees. Trees. Say the spelling trees. T-R-E-E-S. Trees. Okay. Then trunks. T-R-U-N-K-S. Trunks. Say, all of you open your mouth and say. Say the spelling trunks. T-R-U-N-K-S. Trunks. Okay. Then shrubs. Shrubs. Say the spelling shrubs. S-K-I-H-R-U-B-S. Okay. S-K-I-H-R-U-B-S. Shrubs. All of you say. Open your mouth and say. S-K-I-H-R-U-B-S. Shrubs. Okay. Then herbs. Say the spelling herbs. H-E-R-B-S. Okay. H-E-R-B-S. Herbs. Okay. Then creepers. Creepers. C-R-E-E-P-E-R-S. Creepers. Say the spelling creepers. C-R-E-E-P-E-R-S. Creepers. Say the spelling creepers. C-R-E-E-P-E-R-S. Creepers. Then say the spelling climbers. Say the spelling climbers. C-L-I-M-B-E-R-S. Climbers. C-L-I-M-B-E-R-S. Climbers. Say, all of you say. Say the spelling trees. T-R-E-E-S. Trees. Then trunks. T-R-U-N-K-S. Trunks. T-R-U-N-K-S. Trunks. Then say the spelling shrubs. S-K-H-R-U-B-S. Shrubs. Say the spelling shrubs. S-K-H-R-U-B-S. Shrubs. Then say the spelling herbs. H-E-R-B-S. Herbs. H-E-R-B-S. Herbs. Okay, say the spelling creepers. C-R-E-E-P-E-R-S. Creepers. C-R-E-E-P-E-R-S. Creepers. Say the spelling climbers. C-L-I-M-B-E-R-S. Climbers. Okay. C-L-I-M-B-E-R-S. Climbers. Okay. Now all of you say, so there are many kinds of plants, isn't it? There are many kinds of plants. Okay. So some plants are big and some plants are small. Okay. You are open your mouth and say. So some plants are big and some plants are small. Okay. So the big plants are trees. Okay. The big plants are trees. So why that is tree? They are hard and strong stems. Okay. They are hard and strong stems. Okay. So it is called, that is called trunk. Okay. That is trunk place. Okay. So trees are big plants with hard and strong stems. Okay, ma, strong stems. That is called trunk. Say the example of trees. Say, you open your mouth and say the example of tree. Mango tree, coconut tree, etc. Okay. Okay. So, you know, isn't it? Banyan tree. Yes, coconut tree. Okay. So, that all are tree. Okay. Then, shrubs, small plant. So, one type of plant is big plant. That is called tree. Another one type of plant, small plant. Okay. So, this small plant, 4 types. Shrubs, herbs, creepers and climbers. Okay. So the shrubs are smaller than trees. Okay. Shrubs are smaller than trees. Okay. It is very short plant. Okay. It's very short plant. They have woody stems. Shrubs have many branches. Shrubs have many branches. they live for a few years. Okay, they live for few years. For example, rose plant and hibiscus plant. Rose plant and hibiscus plant. Okay. Then herbs. Herbs are very small plant. Okay, herbs are very small plant with soft green stems. Okay, with soft green stems. Okay. Then herbs are live only for a few months. Okay, live only for a few months. For example, mint, spinach and coriander. Okay, mint, spinach and coriander. Okay, say the example of shrubs. Say the example of shrubs. Rose plant, hibiscus plant, isn't it? Say the example of herbs. Mint plant, spinach plant, coriander plant. Okay. Then some plants have weak stems. Okay. Some plants have weak stems and cannot stand straight. Okay, mas, and cannot stand straight. Okay. So there are two types. There are two types. So one type is creepers and the another one type is climbers. Okay, one type is creepers, another one type is climbers. Okay, so the plants grow along the ground. Okay, the plants grow along the ground are called creepers. Okay, the plants grow along the ground are called creepers. For example, pumpkin and watermelon. Okay, pumpkin and watermelon. Okay, then some plants grow upwards. Some plants grow upwards using other plant sticks and walls for support. Sticks and walls for support are called climbers. For example, grapevine, money plant. For example, grapevine and money plant. Okay, ma'am. Then some plants also grow in water. Okay, some plants also grow in water. For example, lotus plant, lily plant, hyacinth plant, water hyacinth. So this is water lily, lotus. This one is hyacinth. Okay, this one is hyacinth plant. Okay, ma, hyacinth plant. Okay, did you understand? Did you understand? Okay, okay. All of you study well. Okay, ma? Okay. Thank you.